Welcome once again. Let's talk about Luna Classic LUNC. Now, Luna drops from 200 million daily bonds to 53 million daily bonds. Luna Classic have really dropped in the past 7 days and they're not even burning much. And apart from that, Luna Classic in the past 24 hours have actually dropped a lot in terms of burning. And I believe if they can keep on if you can increase the trading volume of Luna Classic, Luna will end up burning more coins. But for now, it has really dropped for over I think between 6 weeks to 12 weeks. Luna Classic has maintained over 170 million daily burn. But for the first time, Luna Classic of daily burn have actually dropped to about 53 million coins in a day, which is not really good for Luna Classic. I mean, we'll be burning over 1,800 million coins in 7 days, and right now we are recording just about 300 or 350 million coins. And this is coming because Luna Classic trading volume have really dropped recently. So let's hope to see that the burn of Luna Classic will still increase in price. Now, another good thing is that Luna have also come up with a project that will help increase the market value of Luna Classic. Okay, yes, Luna are actually they are working with Binance to increase the market value, to increase the trading volume, to increase the burning of Luna Classic. And right now you can see so many staking have really taken place, and a lot of people have also invested in Luna Classic in the past 1 month than they invested in the past 2 months, and I'm happy for that. Obviously, almost $100 million have been pumped into Luna Classic in the past 30 days. Over $100 million, which is a lot of money. So I hope to see at least, let's record over $200 million being invested into Luna within the next 30 days. I mean, this is going to help Luna Classic in the long run. Once again, remember, this is not a financial advice. Thank you for stopping by.